Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Story Podcast.
Your friendly place to learn real English through relaxing conversations and meaningful stories.
No boring grammar here, just natural English you can use in daily life.
I'm Zara.
And I'm Mark. So happy you're here with us today.
Mark, how are you today? Did you have a good day?
It was pretty good. I did some work in the morning and then went for a walk. I feel nice and calm now. How about you, Zara?
I'm good, but I felt a bit tired earlier. I tried to do too many things at once and got overwhelmed.
That sounds familiar.
Yes, it happens to all of us. But now I feel better because we can sit down, talk, and share stories with our listeners.
It really feels like we're all in one big room together, learning and growing. Okay, small talk finished. Today we have a very helpful topic.
Yes! Before we start, we want to say thank you for listening. If you enjoy this episode, please like it, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to build better habits but feels overwhelmed.
Especially that friend who starts strong on Monday and gives up by Wednesday. We all know that friend. Sometimes it's us.
Today's topic is how to build good habits without feeling overwhelmed.
Big changes sound exciting, but they often make us feel tired and stressed. Today we'll talk about small, simple ways to build habits that actually last.
Let me start with a short story. Last month, I decided, this time I will exercise every day for 1 hour. It sounded great. Day 1, I did it. Day 2, I did it. Day 3, I felt so tired. By day 5, I skipped everything and felt guilty.
I know that feeling. That's when we say, why can't I just be consistent?
Exactly. So I learned that big plans can make us feel overwhelmed. Today we want to share simple tips that helped us build good habits without stress. We'll use small stories so you can remember them easily.
Tip number 1, start tiny, really tiny. Think of habits like building a house. You don't start with the roof. You start with one small brick. If you try to build the whole house on day 1, you get overwhelmed and stop. Instead of saying, I will exercise 1 hour every day, say, I will put on my sports shoes every morning. That's it. Just one tiny action.
I tried this with English. Instead of, I will study English for 1 hour, I said, every day I will open my English book and read just one sentence. Some days I read more, but my promise was only one sentence. It felt light and easy. After 2 weeks, I was doing 10 or 15 minutes without forcing myself.
Tiny habits don't scare your brain. They make starting feel safe.
Tip number 2, use habit stacking. This is like putting a new habit on top of something you already do every day. It's very easy. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will review 3 English words. After I make my morning coffee, I will listen to 5 minutes of an English podcast. After I finish dinner, I will write 1 English sentence in my notebook.
I like this one. I stacked my habit with something I already love. After I sit on the sofa in the evening, I will read 1 page of an English story. Because I already sit on the sofa, the new habit became automatic. No extra thinking.
Tip number 3, make it fun, not a punishment. If your new habit feels heavy and serious, your brain will say, no thanks. Connect the habit to something you enjoy.
For example, if you want to exercise, listen to your favorite music or English songs while you walk. If you want to read more English, choose fun stories instead of difficult textbooks.
I love this. When I started my reading habit, I chose short, interesting stories. It felt like playtime, not homework. My brain looked forward to it instead of running away.
Tip number 4. Track your tiny wins. You don't need a big complicated app. Just make a simple mark on paper or your phone every time you do your small habit.
Seeing those little marks gives you a happy feeling. It's like collecting small coins. After 10 days, you look back and think, wow, I did it 10 times. That feeling keeps you going.
And if you miss one day, don't be hard on yourself. Just start again the next day. One missed day is not a failure. It's normal.
Tip number 5. Be kind to yourself and remember balance. Building good habits is important, but rest is also important. Your mind and body are like a phone battery. If you never charge it, it stops working.
I once tried to build too many habits at the same time. Exercise, English, reading, healthy eating. I felt exhausted. Then I learned to build one habit at a time and give myself rest days. Progress became much easier and more peaceful.
The key is balance. A little progress every day is better than big pushes that burn you out.
We used some useful words today. Let's do a tiny word tour. Overwhelmed. When you feel too much pressure and don't know where to start. Example. I felt overwhelmed when I tried to change everything at once.
Habit stacking. Putting a new habit after something you already do every day.
Consistent. Doing something regularly over time. Example. I want to be consistent with my English practice.
Tiny wins. Small successes that make you feel good and motivated.
Burnout. When you feel extremely tired because you pushed too hard.
Balance. Having a good mix. Not too much work, not too little rest. If you didn't catch every word, you can listen again slowly. It's okay.
So, what can you do today? Here are simple steps. Choose one tiny habit you want to build. Make it super small. Decide when you will do it using habit stacking.
Make it fun. Connect it to something you like.
After you finish, say something kind to yourself. Good job. I did my tiny habit today.
Let's quickly recap the tips. Tip 1. Start tiny, really tiny. Tip 2. Use habit stacking. Tip 3. Make it fun, not a punishment. Tip 4. Track your tiny wins. Tip 5. Be kind to yourself and remember balance.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to take one small step every day. Even 5 good minutes can create big changes over time.
We believe you can do this.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments. What is one tiny habit you want to start? And how will you make it easy and fun for yourself?
Your idea might help another learner too.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to build good habits without feeling overwhelmed.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. You didn't waste it. You invested it in yourself. We're proud of you.
This was the English Story Podcast with Mark and Zara.
Until next time, be kind to yourself and take small steps every day.
Bye everyone, take care.